Chidimma! Chidimma!
I'm coming.
Of course,
Mama, you're back already?
Yes, my dear. I'm back. Take a look at this letter.
Wait, who summoned us to appear in the court?
I think it's from the federal government too. And they send it through barrister, no case. Through his chamber.
Honey, you really need to seek for a legal advisor before police will come here and arrest everyone.
You are right.
All of us.
You are right.
Eh?
We need to go there now. We need to start
going
going there
in
now.
the court because
yes, we need to start going to barrister, no case now.
Honey,
we need to start going. Let's go. We need to go there now. No, we need to go there. We need to go.
Hey.
Let's go.
Oh,
Okay, this case has been registered to the court.
Yeah.
It is a very big and romantic case between you people and federal government. It is not just a case that you can settle within this vicinity.
Which federal government? What is our offense?
Mr. Man, this is not the time to sit down here and babble me with questions like, what is my offense like? What have we done? Or whatever. This case is beyond human capacity. It is highly elevated. You should go and thank your God that this case is within my entity. As a barrister, as a legalist barrister of law, I have all it takes to set you people ablaze into this case. So what we are going to do is asking a question that you cannot defend. Immediately I told you that this case has been registered with the federal government. The only thing you need to tell me is how are we going to do it, or what are we going to do to make sure we are set free from this awkward period, international disqualification. I'm not asking me so many questions. The only thing you can do for yourself now is to rally round. Now listen, let me shock you. Listen, I am the summoner and you are the summonee. You have been summoned by the federal government. The only thing you have to do right now is to sit back, liaise with your wife, harass with your wife, then liberate with your wife.
Ew.
To know what you are going to do to come out of this case, because from the book of chamber that I have here, I am barrister, no case. We represent you people in Abuja. Abuja.
But barrister, how can the federal government sleep and wake up only to sue us for no just reason? For no just case.
I'm just tired.
Eh?
My sister. My client, let me use that language. It is unheard for, uncalled for, unmerited for, and undisquested for. Because he has never been heard in the history that federal government will wake up one day and then come against any individual. But because he has occurred, we have every parliament, we have every animalistic nature into this opioids intabua. There is nothing we can do about it. The intabua circle of doom has made it so clear that both of you have to appear before court. Hey. But only one thing that can set you free. Go home now, rally around, move around, and get 100,000 naira for representation. Yes.
Like how much, barrister?
I just said 100. Are you all right? Do you want to go to jail?
100,000.
50 kobo.
Hey.
Offense 1 million naira. Na 100. Gina. Ima kwe go leja ipen. Autograph me may go low.
Oh. There's no problems. We'll go home and arrange the money and come back later in the evening.
Barrister, I want to ask, which offense do we commit?
Why are you so much interested in the offense you committed? Who are you to ask the federal government question? They have summoned you, You don't stand up and begin to ask which offense. Don't you know, as a fool as you are an offense? You must see one offense on your own. Don't you know you are an offense, very unkept husband? Hey. Who will live here before I take Byron, the Bogananga? I will use Byron and write him to say.
Where do we get that kind of money from?
Go and get it from your mother's grave. No, Ghana Lily Nagaga Potago.
Let's go. Eh? Let's go, please. Barrister, we've had you.
Let's go.
Oh, we don't know what we committed, though. We don't know. Barrister, please, we can settle this thing. We can settle this thing.
I still don't know my offense.
Madam, it's like you want me to throw you behind back.
Don't worry.
Nto fege na azaba English na ba ha ga ni me banquet. Stupid thing. You got corruption cause I saw the Tanonga abam caution. Di boli bote before to di question bu di na di po. You got blue put man be anga. That is about you don't want to know what your offense are. Don't you know as full as you are an offense? Who offense? In fact, I'm going to charge you again for heavy stomach. We are going to give you so you more
barrister no case, Iborola case lota. Barrister no case, Aborola civil defense. Barrister no case.
No. What's the problem? Why is your face like this? No, for real, baby. You know I'm a learned gentleman. And I can't even allow a sexy, pretty damsel like you to pass me by with your face like this. What is the problem? Can you tell me?
I woke up this morning and I saw this letter on my doorstep. The court served me the letter.
God damn, baby. God damn, baby. Can I take a look?
Yeah.
Let me see, man. damn. God damn, baby. God damn, baby.
What is it?
No, see, you are in a very big mess. You are in a hot problem. But it's no case. Are you for real?
What did I do?
How did you get yourself into this problem with the federal government of Nigeria?
I don't know. I'm innocent. I saw it this morning at my doorstep.
Damn, this must be a very big case. Chai! You know what? Barrister no case. Barrister no case. I must fight you with this case. Do you know what? Shut up, man. Wipe your tears. That's why I told you I am an international lawyer from United States of America, baby. And there is no case I cannot win. I win all cases. And I never even lose one case since I started my life as a lawyer. You feel me? So go and relax yourself. I am going to do something about this case. Do you know what will happen? Before I will prepare for the case, I would like to see you tomorrow morning in my chamber so that I will read some of the books and prepare myself. I need to serve Barrister No Case a letter for the case in the court. So don't worry about it. Come with this letter to my office tomorrow morning.
Thank you
I promise you, I will handle it, baby. I told you that I'm here for you, baby. You don't need to wipe your tears. Stop crying. I told you I'm here for you. I am here for you. If you have a problem, you can call on me. Okay?
Okay.
Don't worry yourself. I must make sure that Barrister No Case did not have a say in this case. You can go home.
Good afternoon, young lady. What can I do for you?
Barrister, I wake up this morning only to find this. I don't know who summoned me to the court.
Let me have it. Who served you this letter? You don't know?
I don't know.
How can people be this wicked? Huh? Because from what I read here, it was stated clear from the law book of India, I mean, that about 3 courts want to put you to jail. For what? What have you done wrong to them? 3 different courts. And you are providing about three SAN barristers to defend your case. And the government is bringing 5 to defend them. So how can 3 stand against 5?
Barrister, please help me. I don't have money to pursue this case.
I am going to do something. You know what? You are going to pay me 100,000 naira, 80 for myself, and then 20 for consultation. I must make sure you win this case. You see this case? It is only barristers like me. Barristers like me can handle this case. This third case you're seeing here. If you eventually give it to another person who cannot handle it, then forget yourself in jail.
Thank you, sir. But sir, please, I don't have money. And I don't want to go to jail.
The way it is here and over here, it is no money into jail. Then when there is money out of jail, that is how it's done. I got me go home na jail alone also. Jail edele gi edele. And ngane kwa ko mururu nganga prok. 50 years imprisonment. before you come out, get Google. So choose between 100,000 and then going inside jail to Google.
Okay,
Take
okay,
it.
Okay, barrister, I have 10,000 naira. I can give you 10,000 naira.
Ibrazok Reka James. You are less OTC. You come for bed, that's 10,000 naira. A case 3 hefty SAN could handle for you. And I want to take it up myself. Do you know how many hours I will be in my inner chamber studying, just to make sure I get you out of this mess? Take, if you don't have money, go.
Sir, I can also pay in kind though.
You can pay in kind. And you are ready.
Yes, sir. Barrister, I can also scratch your back.
You can scratch my back.
Yes, barrister.
Now make a good move. Interesting. In that case, you have no case. Yes.
Barrister.
No case. Number one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Repeat that name again.
Barrister, no case.
Make it 3.
Barrister, no case.
Another one.
Barrister, no case.
Thank
you.
Can we go now? Let me have my lunch.
Barrister, no case. Barrister, no case.
Shake hand for me.
Barrister, no case.
Hey,
Barrister, no case.
you don't touch me outside.
If you get case, carry am come for my chamber. Either you pay in kind or you pay in naira. In my own chamber, anyway na way. You pay me money, you win your case, you must pay some ransom. All my village people, oh, everybody get one thing. My kind of lawyer gets swag, I know they take nonsense. Barrister no case, Iborola case ilota. Barrister no case, Aborola civil defense.
What happened? Where are you coming from? I saw your missed call.
I was calling you back, you are not picking. I came to the house, the door is locked. You have to let me just choose one and try your line again.
I tried your line and you were not picking. I was calling to tell you about what happened this morning. I woke up this morning and I saw a letter at the doorstep just here. And I picked it up and tried to read what the content is all about. So, as I opened it, I saw federal government court. They sued me by barrister, no cases, chamber. I was like, my mind just flew out. I was like, what did I do? So I picked up the phone to call you. You are not picking, so I have to rush out. On my way, I met barrister Eso.
Who is Barrister Eso?
One of the barristers that came back to the community. And he asked to see the letter and I gave it to him. He told me it was a very serious issue. My mind I wasn't at rest. So he was like, he's going to handle it though, but it is a very serious issue that this is a federal government stuff, so we don't have to handle it with seriousness. So he offered to handle the case. So that was what happened, and the barrister was trying to
what?
To check.
The barrister you just met on the way, striking you.
No, this is not the first time we are saying.
Oh. So there is more to this. That you didn't tell me. You didn't tell me. See, I think there is more. Tell me more.
Relax. No.
We share things together. We share everything. Now a man is striking you, and you didn't tell me. Now you say it's nothing. Now it's something. Somebody strike you. You didn't tell me. I don't understand you having case with federal government. For what?
I was even surprised. It's not my fault. And I just saw it this morning. It was nothing. It was nothing. I handled it now.
Don't handle things yourself. You don't do it right.
Calm down now. I didn't even give in to him now. I didn't give in to him. Why are you shouting?
It's okay now. I didn't mean to shout, but you don't care now.
If only I was hiding something, I wouldn't have mentioned this to you now. Relax, I handled it. Besides, I didn't agree. But he was still striking me, so...
It's okay. We'll look for a way out on that, okay?
Sure.
Sorry. Have you eaten?
I'm not hungry.
Come on.
I'm not hungry.
You have to eat something.
I lost my appetite. I need to chill off. All this time is giving me stress.
You lost your appetite. We are dead to lose your appetite. I'll make you hungry.
Beautiful girl. Hey! Now there are good look at us. I take block, okay, dojo. Hi!
Barrister, so tell me, when are we going to the court?
To do what? Huh? When your case has been settled inside, you have no case. Mpuni na itiruwa umbi kwesiti na court. Itiele mputi bige you okay. You have no case as far as I am concerned. What I would do is just to have my autograph, and which I have autographed to you inside. Then I will now send it to the court. Why that you have your sign of autograph inside me, so you have no case. I have lifted your banner, so begin to smile.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Barrister, please do all you can to stop the case. Please.
Young woman, I told you you have no case. Everything about this case, these charges, this shoe, this peripesu. In fact, it is over. Forget about it. You will know that, yes, I am made. I am not just an ordinary lawyer. I read it. I schooled it. I opioidalized it. And I migrated into it. So I am a phantom of equilibrium. I have barbarized your case. Your case has been lifted. In fact, your banner is lifted up. So you should go home and begin to jubilate. Because if you know whom you are standing with, you'll be the luckiest person that I ever met. Go up and tell people that, yes, you have something to do with a barrister of equilibrium. A barrister with a high profile. Barrister Ngola Mpiaga Kote Njinjeji. Aka kamne jabi hapunde madinanga. Mpiaga Kote Mpiaboye nanga. When I come to go to shit, you know what?
Barrister, no case.
One of this community.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome,
Thank
my
you
dear.
so much.
You're welcome. But please, in case when matters are rising, you will come back for second missionary journey, for the case to be finally sealed.
No problem, sir.
If there is any way, you know you cannot trust most of our Georgians and judges.
Sir, don't you believe me?
I do.
I will come back. I will come back and show you some appreciation.
Oh, oh. Let me see your back. Hey, Ibu. Okay, that's a nice one.
Thank you, sir.
I will judicial your stuff, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You can now take
Thank
your
you,
leave.
sir.
You're welcome.
Barrister, no case.
Number one.
Barrister, no case.
We are not two.
Barrister, I'll come back.
Yes. Oh. I know. Onye ofante mla hebe msiri lowa. Ebe. This is called private judicial court. Court of appeal. No, you look at the woman. I thought you were talking. I saw the case what became a new woman. All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you.